Man, what is popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck, back at it again, you know what I'm saying? How everybody doing? Everybody good? Everybody straight? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down EURUSD, GBPUSD, US30, and gold. I've never done a video like this before, so I'm just going to kind of show you guys how I kind of break down the markets, top-down analysis for the upcoming week. Bear with me, you guys. As you know, I am a beginner, been trading for a few months. Not a few years, a few months. Trying to bring you guys some great videos, some great content, help you guys out. Just show you guys my brain as a beginner. You know, I'm you, you're me. We can relate on this channel, you know what I'm saying? So comment down below and ask me whatever, I'm gonna respond. So we do have a very interesting week, you guys, with this election. It's a lot of news coming out, just a lot of volatility in the markets. So we got to be very careful when we're trading this week. I don't know if I'm going to really get into any trades this week. I've never, like I said, I'm a beginner, so I don't know how the markets move during these election time. This right here is GBPUSD, okay? I'm on the weekly time frame right now. So as you can see, it's been ranging, you know, really on the weekly. Hasn't broke past this point, and this has been since March of last year. So that's all I'm looking at the weekly. It hasn't broke past this. It's pretty much ranging. I'm a scalper, you guys, so I'm not taking trades on the weekly, or, you know, I'm not really even analyzing on the weekly. I would probably look at the weekly one time a week. You know what I'm saying? Now here's the daily, you guys. So same thing with the daily. I don't really, I'm not trading off the daily. I'm a scalper, but I like to get the overall picture of things, right? So actually, first, before we get into GBPUSD, I got a little news thing right here, right? Investing.com. So this, look at what this says right here. GBPUSD forecast. UK announces lockdown. Pound set to plummet. That's all I need to see. I'm not looking up no more news, or I'm not looking up any more news on GBPUSD. That is all I needed to see. So UK is about to lock down. The pound is finna plummet, okay? So we can see this pair go down. You know what I'm saying? We can see GBPUSD, you know, go down just because the UK announces a lockdown. So right now, on the daily, it's still in a, you know, bullish structure. It would have to break this low. I mean, not really now, because it created a lower high. So it's starting to form bearish structure right now. So that's really all I'm analyzing on the daily right now. 4 hour, you can kind of see this. Oh, there goes my. See a little trend line like this, but I really don't use trend lines, you guys. As you guys know, I'm looking at things more smart money. Okay, definitely it's gonna take this liquidity. GBPUSD. This is at 1.28583. So I can see GBP definitely coming here, definitely coming to this zone, which is 1.27 flat. So look for sales in GBPUSD this week, just based on how the economy is going with the UK and them shutting down. That's basically the GBPUSD. Okay, this is the 5-minute time frame. I really do most of my analyzing on the 5-minute. So created some liquidity here, so it could come up, grab this, and then shoot down, but we really just have to wait and see on what's going on. But that's GBPUSD. Euro USD. All right, here's Euro USD, you guys. Let me see if I have any news on that. Euro USD finished the week with a sharp loss at 1.1645. Here's a good sentence right here. On Saturday, the U.S. reported over 99K new cases in the previous 24 hours. Although President Donald Trump refuses to pause the economic activity, which keeps giving an advantage to the greenback. The greenback is the U.S. dollar. So like I was just saying, Donald Trump is not trying to close the economy. So that helps the U.S. dollar right now. So we can, you know, see the U.S. dollar go up right now. I don't know if it's gonna go up long term, but we can see the U.S. dollar push up right now just based on what's going on. I don't know, it's kind of consolidating, ranging. I wouldn't say it's bullish or maybe bearish. That's how the weekly's looking, you guys. Like I said, I don't really look at the weekly that often. Now, let's go to the daily. On the daily, we could see it started creating bullish structure, right? But then it rejected this 1.2 area, which is, you know, a key area. It consolidated, got weaker, boom. So now it created a, you know, lower highs. That was right here. Let me go down to 4 hour. Euro USD is looking bearish to me right now as far as the higher time frames go. But we'll have to see what goes on when the markets do open. This is the hour time frame. Bearish structure. Look, liquidity was created. Boom, it took it out and kept going. That's smart money for you guys. You know what I'm saying? But I can see Euro USD coming to get this liquidity here at 1.16147. We will just have to see. You know, they said that Euro, their economy is doing good. We're doing well as well as far as, you know, coronavirus lockdowns and stuff. So we just got to see what's going on. It's consolidated right here at the end of the day on Friday. But I could really see it maybe coming back up for a correction and falling for the rest of the week. We'll have to see what goes on with the US dollar. But that's Euro USD. Now US Dirty 30. Let's look at the Dirty 30, you guys. Here's some kind of news that I see for Dirty 30. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended October on a low point, marking its worst month since March as a broad sell-off. All the major indices closed lower. Uncertainty over the upcoming presidential election between Donald and Joe is looming large. So there's a lot of, uncertainty, like they just said, with these stocks and stuff. So a lot of people sold off their stocks. So that's why US30 fell so hard on Friday and really fell all of last week. Just because this election's coming up. Election time. Yeah, there could be a period of intense uncertainty if neither Joe Biden nor Donald Trump emerges as a clear victor. So, as far as the polls go, we don't know who's going to win. So, there's going to be indecision, uncertainty in the market as well. If the Democrats take the House and Senate, major policy changes would affect healthcare, energy, defense, construction, automotive, and technology industries. While Biden leads, the race appears closer. Yeah. So basically, if Biden wins, it's going to be a lot of policy change, which the market could see that effect. I don't know what kind of effect. Let's see what the Dow has been doing. Let's take off. This is the weekly. So yeah, this is a fat, strong weekly candle. Let's see how many. So yeah, last week the Dow dropped 1,700 points. You know what I'm saying? Weekly, that's all I'm looking at. It didn't come and break the all-time highs. It rejected. So we'll see if it wants to correct this kind of move, come back here or here. We'll see what it tries to do. It's the daily. Yeah, it broke structure on the daily, broke this low. So we could see it continue low. Try the 4 hour. Yeah, this is strong movement. Lately been bearish. It just broke structure here. This was September 24th, 2020. So it broke that, which is pretty significant to me. So we gotta see. It might come. It created some liquidity here, but it might come grab that. But I honestly see it falling hard. We're gonna be looking for sales in all of these pairs damn near this week that I look at personally. But let's go down to the 1 hour. Yeah, it's just bearish. It got, the structure got weaker. The selling pressure got weaker. So, but I can see it, you know, correct, come take some liquidity, boom, come down. But you got to be careful trading US30. That shit, right now, I really don't want to trade it. You know what I'm saying? Because that shit moves so fast, you guys. And your account will be blown to pieces. Nah, but your account will be done. You know what I'm saying? So this is it on the 5-minute time frame. Just look at this shit, you guys. It's crazy, moving so crazy. 5-minute time. I couldn't get in any trades. I'm gonna probably stay away from US30. You know what I'm saying? Let's take a look at gold. Last but not least, gold. I don't really have any news for gold. See, the thing with gold is right now, since the dollar is getting stronger, gold is gonna fall. You know what I'm saying? If the dollar gets stronger, the gold is gonna fall. Okay, now if the dollar gets weaker, gold is gonna go up. So we just looked at all these news outlets right now, and we seen the dollar getting stronger. So gold is gonna fall temporarily. So daily time frame, right, came up to 2069, which was insane. Then it just never came back up there. Starts consolidating, bearish structure. We'll see. Let's see with the 4-hour. See this strong ass push right here. We can see some more push to the downside. It's definitely liquidity right here. I'm actually gonna mark that up. Oh, I already have it marked up. Take that out. Definitely liquidity at 1847. So it's gonna shoot down there this week. If anything, I think so. Could come down here to this demand zone. More liquidity here, which is at 1788. Now if it shoots down that far, I don't know. Dollar got to be strong as a mug. That's what I'm seeing in gold right now. 4 hours. It was consolidating. Now it boom, broke the structure. Broke all these lows. So it has to get here. Breaks that low. Then it's really just gonna keep falling, right? 1 hour to come grab this liquidity in this zone. So whenever you see liquidity created and it's a zone, that's a strong point that the market is gonna go to. So I believe it could shoot up here, you know what I'm saying, to 1911. Maybe shoot up that high and come down. We'll just have to see, you know what I'm saying. But the dollar has been getting stronger, you guys. Election times is here, you know. We want to, this is my first time trading, you know, during an election or looking at these markets during an election. So it should be very interesting and fun, to be honest, you know. But got to be careful. I don't want to get fucked up off some news and not blow my account. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do all that. So this is the outlook for the week. Presidential election coming up, you guys. Go out there and vote. If you guys want to go vote. You know what I'm saying? Why not? As far as me, I don't know. I might go vote. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you guys out. Go ahead and leave a like if you guys can. Go ahead and leave... hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you guys out. If you guys do look at these pairs, but be careful this week trading. You know what I'm saying? If you guys can, please smack that like button, man. Helps out this channel a lot. Subscribe if you're new. If you want more content like this, this is my Forex journey, and that's all I have. The way it looks. I'm afraid it's over.